Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be reviewing the Percy and the Mail train set. I got this for £59, that's all it was, just £59 from Rails of Sheffield. I think there are some in stock at the point of me editing this video. I think they still got some in stock. Don't quote me, but that was the offer price, was £59.95. I saw it on their YouTube channel and basically I just ordered it straight away. Ripped their hands off, so to speak. For that price, you really need to get one. I mean, people want up to £100 for these sets, and some people want just 40-50 quid for Percy alone. So it arrived next day. Unfortunately, it was out, so I had to wait for it to be re-delivered. But it comes in a lovely looking box, lovely artwork, Percy's cheeky little face, and then on the back, shows you what you get in the train set. You get obviously Percy, the mail coach, and all your track and stuff, and then it shows you just a few other sets and things that were available. You also get a free DVD apparently worth £9.99. So you open it up and it's well packaged, as all Hornby train sets are. I don't think, does anybody actually do a train set better than Hornby? Somebody may say in the comments, but I doubt it. So there's Tom's Tank DVD. Lovely, great if you've got kids. And you've got your owner's manual and your instructions and all your warranty and all that in the bag. These are your clips, and you've got your little mail bags there. You have third radius curve, as seems to be the thing with all these train sets. You get third radius curves to give you a nice oval. It'll be about 4 foot wide, just to give you an idea of the space. You get a siding with this as well, so you get your siding. There's a couple of double straights. So it's a decent set for the money, especially for this £59.95 price. It really is quite a bit. You do get quite a lot for this set. So obviously you got the main man himself, Percy, the little saddle tank engine, number 6. So just whip him out. And everybody knows what Percy looks like. Cheeky face. I like the face on this. It's a lot more realistic to the models than the Backman one. The Backman one looks like, well, it doesn't even look like Percy. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be, which really did put me off buying that. And then you've got the Sodor Mail, which is Percy's icon. It really is iconic with Percy. So it's nice wagon. You've got the little flaps on the side, which will take the mail bag in and obviously drop the mail bag off as well, because that's what this train set's all about. And obviously the bogies rotate as well, which is great because my actual layout was first radius curves, if you've been following my channel. So that should work on there perfectly. And then you get this little van, red oxide van. I've got about 4 of these now. I don't know what it's got to do with Percy's mail train, but they're lovely all the same, so I can't complain. I'll take another one to add to the collection. And then obviously you got your new style Hornby controller, nicely packaged as always. Some buffers for your sidings. As you can see here, nice. Your power plug, your transformer plug, and then here you've got the drop-off point for the mail. So you've got a little hut that it drops into, and then you've got your bases for where you put the hut on, and obviously where you're going to put your pole for your mail bags. So I'll get this set up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my actual layout, so you can see the instructions, shows you what to do, where you put the clips and stuff. The clip basically goes on the track, and it'll, underneath the mail coach, there's it's like a switch, and basically as you go over it, it'll open the bottom or top door depending on which one. Obviously the top door takes in the mail bags, and the bottom door throws out the mail bags. So here you can see there's Percy. There we are, perfect. I won't lie to you, I had to do this 3 times before he'd actually pick the mailbag up, but he did do it. And here you can see Lovely, drops the mailbag off. Do you know what? I'm really happy with this for the price, especially if you think a small child gets a train set usually and it's just an oval, and 10 minutes later they're bored. With this set with Percy, there's lots to do. Obviously, you can pick the mailbags up. You've got siding. You've got Percy. You've got, you know, a nice set. If you get yourself a little level crossing, you know, hours of entertainment. So there's Percy on his first movements. Nice and smooth. Very, very happy. Quite a quick little loco as well. As you can see here, that was only sort of half power, but my God, does he shift. It's like he's had a couple of cans of Red Bull. Let's have a quick little look at Percy. For anybody who's never seen Percy before, the Hornby model is pretty good. He's got an open cab, although just inside the cab is just sort of the motor, and you can't really do anything with it. You can't put figures or anything. But, you know, he's pretty spot. In my eyes, he's pretty spot on. And as I said, I prefer him to the Backman one myself. Although the Backman one does have moving eyes, but you know, I'm not really bothered about that, to be honest with you. I could take or leave the moving eyes. I prefer Percy, the Hornby Percy. To me, he looks more like Percy from the show. And by the show, I mean the original show that was on when I was a kid, the actual models. So there we are. Another look at the van. Lovely little van. Bit of detail on there. Considering it's for young children. Very nice. As I say, I've got so many of these by now. I probably should sell one on. I've got so many. But I could probably just run a full train with a breakdown van of these. And then you've got the mail coach, which I'll show you the underneath of. Here we are. You can see the buttons here. Basically, they will operate the doors to take in the mail. There we are. See, there's the bottom. Flip it over. Just rotate the bogies round. Lovely. Glad that they rotated there, because I was a bit worried would it fit on the layout if it was solid bogies, but obviously it's not, so that's great. So we'll have a look here, give Percy a little bit of a run around. As you can see, first radius curves, doesn't look too awkward. He runs around lovely, coach runs around nice, really, really good, really, really happy. So we're going to give him Percy a bit more weight. He does tend to spin a little bit now. As you can see, he's got the mail coach, he's got his van. Those obviously he came with. We got 3 Tidmouth milks, and we got a lime wagon, and that's a bit heavy for him. He will pull it, but there's a lot of wheel slip. There is a lot of wheel slip. As you can see here, they're going 100 miles an hour, but he's not moving anywhere. So considering how quick he was, I think he's probably too highly strung. I think we need to gear him down a bit to give him a bit more pulling power and a little bit less acceleration, because his acceleration is absolutely crazy. Flat, he takes off. It's actually funny to watch. So yeah, overall, absolutely brilliant chain set for $59.95. Get out there, get one as quick as you can. Uploading this on I believe it's the 13th of March. So on the 13th of March, they are still in stock. So please, you know, if you want one, they're discontinued. Once these are gone, they're gone. There's a lot of people buying them and just breaking them for parts on eBay. So go out and get yourself one. You won't be disappointed. You can't be disappointed for the price point. And it's Rails of Sheffield. You can buy them from Hatton's, but it's £71. So make sure you get over to Rails of Sheffield and pick up a little Percy and the mail train set. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I will have a few more reviews coming up. I've got a little bit of spare time, so I'll get him done. And thanks very much.